Now, George was a Roman soldier, as we said, who lived during the 3rd century AD. Now, that was a time when the Roman Empire was declining heavily and actually on the verge of collapse. The date of his birth is unknown to us. George was a devout Christian, and the case can be made that he was really kind of the first archetype for what would later become the pious Christian knight of the Middle Ages. Men who possessed virtuous morality and tenacious courage, along with a chivalric protection for women and for those who were in need. He was in many ways the very first knight in shining armor in the history of Christendom. Now, the difference between George and the knights of Christian medieval Europe, of course, is that George was a lone Christian during a time of overwhelming paganism. Sure enough, tradition has it that St. George was among the thousands of Christians who were murdered by the vile Roman Emperor Diocletian, which was really the last of the great persecutions before the Christian takeover of the empire in the late 4th century AD.